In this quick video, let me show you how to create AI avatar with HeyGen. First, go to your dashboard. On the left sidebar under Assets, click on Avatars. Then slide over to Photo Avatar and click Create Photo Avatar. After that, click the Generate button. Give your avatar a name, select age, gender, and ethnicity. Then write your prompt. Choose the pose type, full body, upper body, or close up. After that, generate a preview and wait for the results. Pick the image you like and save it. After that, click on your photo avatar, hover over the three dots, and select Add Motion. Now once the motion clips are ready, click on the video thumbnail, then click Generate with AI Studio. In the Studio Editor, click on the script in the left menu bar. From here, you can choose from various voices in the HeyGen library. Enter your script to control what your avatar will say, and click the play button to preview.
Hello, I am Alexa. Please subscribe to my channel.
The timeline will automatically match the duration of speech. Finally, hit submit and wait for your talking video avatar to be rendered.
Hello, I am Alexa. Please subscribe to my channel.
Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.